Here, I'm gonna be walking through how to install and play free games on your Apple Watch. First of all, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, scroll down and open the App Store. In App Store, you have to search for free games. And as a search result here, you will find lots of free games. You can easily download any of them to play. So in my case, I'm just downloading this snack game. Once you successfully install the game, now on to play the game, press the crown to go to your app library and just open the game. And tapping on, tap to start. And here, as you can see, the game successfully started. Now I can use my crown to play the game just like this. So that's how you can actually play game on our Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.